Now I think we're ready to turn our focus away from each other, tired of hitting on each other all the time, and play a game. Again, we're playing a great Oklahoma State team. Mike Gundy's a great football coach. He's been there 9 years now and done a great job. Won 41 games the last 4 years. Another 10-win season last year. A couple years ago, we're a game away from playing for it all. Played in the Cotton Bowl, and had a chance to be. I mean, they were, I think, 10-1, and then Oklahoma had a tough loss to Oklahoma and a great bowl game with Missouri. But I mean, they've had a heck of a season. Got great players. Always has good speed, good athleticism there. Runs a great system on offense. Very diverse. Great loose. Gets to the edges. Got speed. Got some new guys in Hill that can really get there. Plus the older backs. Throw and catch the ball very well, run the ball. Defensively, very play extremely hard. Multiple looks, blitzes. Great cover. Had a first-round pick last year, but those corners that are in there this year played a lot and very athletic. So going to be a great game. I mean, and it's close to their home, and I'm sure they'll have a great home crowd there, but we're very excited. It's a great challenge for us to start the season off where we're at right now and going to Dallas. Our kids are very excited, I think, and looking forward to the challenge. It's going to be a heck of a challenge. Yeah, I'm not worried about reaching the national championship. I'm worried about playing well. Our goal is to be in the national championship every year. I want this team to be the best team it can be, to play as good as it can play, then we'll live with the results.